I couldn't be more ready for this. Shiba Inu holders, if you're holding SHIB, guys, it's finally happening next week, and I couldn't be more ready. The 10th, Tuesday, the 11th, Wednesday. And I know this week has been a little crazy, you know, with the drops, with BTC at $52,000, Shiba Inu 4012, close to 4011. And that's just a little tiny change, but it means a lot. There's a lot of people leaving Shiba Inu in a way. I have an article saying that SHIB whales are disappearing, and I want to give you context. There's a lot of things going on here, guys. Plus, take a look at what's on the screen right now. I'm telling my audience, I'm telling you guys on X, I'm telling people that may not be in the Shiba Inu army yet. This is really where I think we see a 100% happening scenario where we've been waiting for such a long time. Last 2021, we did a 40 plus billion market cap. This time with so much, you know, growth and building and massive, you know, price predictions ahead, shouldn't be a problem be, you know, hitting 100 billion. So let me tell you the full story, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells, Shiba Inu holders. If you're bullish in this, let me know in the comments down below, because believe me, there's less and less Shiba Inu investors now, as things are really not becoming very easy for us to hold. When I talk to you in the lives and everything, it's only a few of us. We're still here, but it's less and less. You and I know that when things get better, everybody's going to be jumping back. So we'll be here to welcome them. Okay. Now, one important fact that I want you to understand is we're not doing bad. We're not doing bad. Not bad at all. The fact that BTC is approaching 55,000 once again, and the lowest we put was 52,600 yesterday, and the lowest we put before was 49,000, which was, you know, with the Japanese stock market at the beginning of August crashing, and we saw it live. We were talking about it, and now we see this, guys. That is a low. That's a higher low. This is a higher, where is it here? This is a higher low. Good. It's good news, because this now starts an increase in the price of Shiba Inu. And now we are targeting this level first to break this level of, oh, this is BTC. Let's go to Shiba Inu, but it is true. It's going to help. Here you go. So now we're targeting levels first right here at 4013, 4014. That's what we need right now. So to start the video with good news, this is what I wanted to tell you, and you can see it much better in the price of BTC, because if price of Bitcoin rises, everything in altcoins is going to rise as well. So that's why this is really, really important. Now, what am I saying? The debate. Next week, I think there's going to be a lot of volatility, not only because of this, which we'll be watching live. It's going to be pretty crazy. And I'm so excited to see if they consider mentioning Bitcoin, as Donald Trump has mentioned, the crypto capital of the world. That's going to help us a lot live. So it should be good to watch what the response of Bitcoin crypto is going to be no matter what. But also, the consumer price index, guys, is coming September 11 at 8:30 a.m. Central Time and 8:30, 11 Eastern Time. But the point is that I think we should be looking a lot of volatility if this indeed is playing to 2.8 headline inflation. Even still, if it's 2.9 headline inflation, which was the previous number, as long as we get closer to core inflation 3%, I'm not asking core inflation to be 2.9%. Why? To give you more data, this is the latest. This is core inflation right now. The previous was 3.2, right, for July. Now we're finding the one in August that's going to be reported right now in September. Guys, if you're holding crypto, we're coming down. And if for this August we go to 3.1 or 3.0, it's over, guys. Mega federal funds rate cut is coming, and that usually, as I show you, let me go. It should be here. It should be here. Let me see if I find it. Let me see if I find it. It should be here. Come on. I didn't like it. Oh, it's there you go. I knew. I told you this yesterday. The Fed will almost start cutting rates. When they start cutting, the price of Bitcoin starts rising. So I'm giving you facts, guys. I'm giving you data that if you're holding, if you have some cash on the side, next week is going to be huge. Next week is going to be the one that we've been waiting for a long time. Guys, I want to tell you about Margex, which right now it's a great opportunity if you're thinking about, any positions. I'm showing you, Shiba Inu right here. As you can tell on the side of the screen, 10,000 welcome bonus. The only thing you have to do, first link under the video, takes a few seconds to sign up. I have positions histories right here. I've been doing my orders leverage because instead of earning 5 to 7% on a normal day of spot trading, what I like to do here on Margex is open a 5x. Instead of 5%, if you open a 5x, it's going to be 25, right? Also, if your prediction is wrong, you're also going to be losing by 25. Close to liquidation, if you are opening an order with a high leverage, right? 50, 100x. If it works your way, you make a lot of money. But if it doesn't, it is the risk that everybody here understands. And if you don't have, then go ahead and do your studies. But give it a look, guys. Margex, very heavily recommended for those my XRP, Shiba Inu, and more holders. And there's a lot of great people using it, guys. Check it out and sign up with my link and enjoy. So right now, 1.93. We're definitely under 2. So, the fact that we were at 3 trillion global market cap in 2021, it tells me that we are once again in a very good position to buy the dip, especially altcoins, guys. Bitcoin is doing really nice. The fact that it's above 50, like I told you, is awesome. But altcoins are the ones that are really down, especially Ethereum. Now, I told you at the very beginning of the video I was going to show you this. Shiba Inu whales disappear, and what it means is the following. Take a look at this. According to on-chain data from Into the Block, the volume of large transactions of the popular meme coin crypto Shiba Inu fell 57% to 1.12 trillion. In dollar terms, that means that instead of having 35 million, we had 14 million in total. There were 48 transactions over the period that we are looking at. So, drop in activity from whales holding at least 0.1% of the Shiba Inu supply, as shown by the decrease in outflows and inflows of their wallets. So take that as you prolong this altcoin consolidation and other different meme coins are popping off, not on Ethereum, right, but on Solana, on Dogecoin, on Tron. There's obviously going to be that desire to make money and leave well-established projects like Shiba Inu. It happens. And right now, when I go to X, I see tons of different posts from all the different meme coins, including me, right? When I do Mary for Cronos, which there's all kinds of communities that will appreciate these whales that are still here holding the Shiba Inu, but they want to keep making money. But they're not making money because Shiba Inu is not moving. Unless you're doing leverage, right, with Margex, and even 1-2%, if you're doing 50x or so, still helps, right? But of course, always bet the money you can afford losing. So guys, and last, this is the way we look. Why am I going to make a video when everything is green and extreme greed? Why? It doesn't help anybody. I'm making a video right now to tell you that Bitcoin is doing decent. Shiba Inu is at a great position. You have the chance to get in before next week we get more volatility. I'm not saying that it's going to go high to the moon already, but it's the volatility that changes pace and it allows a lot of traders to make money. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now you know, prepare. Things are happening very soon. Peace.